Vice President Internal Ma'am Josie. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Magandang umaga. Welcome to the Halal Trade and Investment Opportunities Seminar. So we at the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Quezon City, we advocate for diversity, equity, and inclusion. And as business owners, we see to it that we welcome and we accommodate the needs of our customers, the needs of our stakeholders. And therefore, we have to understand that our customers are coming from different backgrounds. And we have to understand their cultures, their needs, and what is it that will please them, that will satisfy them as customers. And these customers, they have different beliefs, and they may have different faiths. They may be from a certain religion, Christian, Muslim, Islam, and all other faiths. And diversity is one, but other than that, it's very important that we give all of our customers the equal opportunity to access our goods and services. And sometimes, these opportunities for them to access our products and services are not available to them, because their faith will not allow them to eat, to consume a certain product because of their beliefs. And for us to be a completely inclusive entrepreneurs and business owners, we need to do certain things that will allow them to feel that they are welcome and that they are valued. Therefore, we have to understand their cultures. In today's activity, our halal trade investment opportunities, as business owners, we will open our eyes to understand what halal is and what opportunities are available for us as business owners to tap our Muslim brothers, the community who needs the products and services that require halal. And today, we are very fortunate to have this partnership with the Department of Trade and Industry, Halal Development Office, with the support of our Quezon City government, the Small Business Cooperatives and Development Promotions Office. We're happy to have partnership with them to help others and to help the businesses in Quezon City understand halal is. We have invited important speakers, and they will be discussing about the Philippine halal ecosystem, the introduction to global economy, the fundamentals of halal, and more importantly, we have invited halal certifying bodies. We are promoting halal-friendly Philippines, and therefore, if you want to ensure that we are doing it the right way, we have to deal with halal certified bodies, which are recognized and of course accredited by the Department of Trade and Industry. So I welcome you all to our event today. I would like to acknowledge everyone who came here to join us and make this event possible. So, of course, the Department of Trade and Industry, led by our Secretary, Honorable Alfredo Pascual, and I think he may be coming today, just listening his schedule. Our Vice Mayor Gian Carlos Soto. So he's coming in. I was informed that he's coming in 15 minutes. So he'll be joining us. Then the DTI Halal Industry Development Office Program Manager, Director Alim CDT Diapan. We also have Trade Commissioner of the Embassy of Malaysia, Intan Salani. Chief Miss Intan, that's our halal certifying bodies. May you please rise and be recognized. Yeah. Of course, we have the head of the Quezon City Bank Affairs Office, Colonel Haji Jamil Mabayuki. Then we have the Division Chief of TTI Halal Industry Development Office, Division Chief Raison Arolino. And most of our speakers will be coming and will be introduced properly this afternoon. And our members and officers of PCCI-QC, our Board of Directors, please rise to be recognized. Okay. So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Let's get this opportunity to understand halal. We have a whole day to understand what halal is. So to our PCCI-QC members, our business owners in Quezon City, to our Muslim brothers, good morning and welcome.